Electrification continues at BMW Group Plant Leipzig. 4 months after launching production of the combustion-engined MINI Countryman, the all-electric version is now rolling off the lines at Leipzig as well. After phasing out production of the BMW i3, the birthplace of electric mobility at the BMW Group has welcomed another fully electric car to its range. It now manufactures 4 models with 3 drive types by 2 brands, all on a single production line: the BMW 1 Series, the BMW 2 Series Active Tourer, the BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe, and the MINI Countryman in both its fully electric and combustion-powered versions. The MINI Countryman Electric represents a major step in the MINI brand's transition to full electrification by 2030 and combines an electrified go-kart feel with zero local emissions mobility. It comes in 2 fully electric variants, the Countryman E and the more powerful all-wheel Countryman SE ALL4.